How to prevent and treat wood decay in your home. Wood decay in buildings can weaken structures and lead to costly repairs. Protecting wood from moisture, termites, and fungi is essential to maintaining a strong and durable home. Here's how you can prevent and treat wood decay effectively. Preventing wood decay. 1. Choose high-quality and treated wood. 1. Use pressure-treated or naturally decay-resistant wood like teak, cedar, or redwood. 2. Apply wood preservatives or sealants to protect against moisture and pests. 2. Keep wood dry. 1. Ensure proper ventilation in areas with wooden structures. 2. Avoid direct contact between wood and soil by using concrete or metal supports. 3. Fix leaks in roofs, walls, and pipes to prevent moisture buildup. 3. Protect against termites and pests. 1. Regularly inspect wooden structures for termite activity. 2. Apply anti-termite treatments or use natural repellents like neem oil and borax. 3. Remove deadwood, tree stumps, and debris near the house to reduce termite attraction. 4. Maintain proper drainage. 1. Install gutters and downspouts to direct water away from wooden foundations. 2. Ensure proper grading around the house to prevent water accumulation. 5. Regularly inspect and maintain wood. 1. Check for cracks, holes, or soft spots in wooden beams and furniture. Reapply protective coatings or paint when needed. Treating wood decay. 1. Identify the extent of damage. 1. Inspect the wood for soft, crumbly, or discolored areas. 2. Use a screwdriver to test the strength of the wood. If it sinks in easily, the wood is decayed. 2. Remove and replace severely damaged wood. 1. If the wood is too weak, replace it with treated or resistant wood. 2. Strengthen weakened structures with metal braces or additional wooden support. 3. Apply wood hardener for minor damage. 1. If the decay is not severe, use a wood hardener to strengthen the affected area. 2. Apply wood filler to patch holes and cracks before sealing or painting. 4. Use antifungal and anti-termite treatments. 1. Apply borate-based wood preservatives to kill fungi and termites. 2. Treat the surrounding areas to prevent the spread of decay. 5. Improve ventilation and moisture control. 1. Use dehumidifiers in damp areas like basements and attics. Ensure that air circulates properly to keep wooden structures dry. By following these prevention and treatment steps, you can extend the lifespan of wood in your home and maintain a strong, durable structure.